It's a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Every drive is an exciting opportunity because your next favorite memory is just waiting to be made. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, InTune, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, power liftgate, and V6 engine. Of the Highlander, Motor Trend remarks, cabin emphasizes functionality and is geared towards families with its adjustable seating arrangements, 60/40 split second row seats, and a large center console bin. Comfortable, convenient, quality. Toyota. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.